Capricorns, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for July 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use this vintage wisdom oracle cards. We do have a love oracle deck lined up for you as well. Last but not the least, I'm going to use Archangel Raphael healing cards for a message with respect to your health. Capricorns, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. The final days of June, stepping into July 2021, we have the Knight of Pentacles. I think this is a very static energy, so maybe the status quo was being maintained with respect to certain issues. Incidentally, in this time also you may be feeling as though someone is forcing you to react or to retaliate. Maybe somebody was provoking you. Professionally, Capricorns, I think work offers that came your way were not exciting enough. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Two of Cups. It's quite likely that this month will be marked by reunions for you, but you should be careful because you may feel as though someone is being devious. In case you're dealing with clients, I think you should ink those deals quickly. Communication could also increase. In case you're spiritually inclined, I think you could be receiving messages from your spirit guides this July. Influences for the month, we have the Page of Wands. Certainly July will be marked by surprises. I think you're also being called upon to be up and about, to be on your toes. Maybe your schedules could go for a toss. You will be a bit taxed because there's going to be a lot of hard work in store for you. This could also make you a bit restless, but you should also be thankful because your creativity is going to be in full swing. Besides, the output is also going to be appreciated. I think many of you will also be able to unearth the real purpose of your life. You will definitely welcome the clarity. In case you're spiritually inclined, I think you'll be receiving messages. Maybe they could be in the form of some strange dreams. You will benefit on account of communication as well. Maybe you should be a bit more accommodating instead of being bossy and authoritative. Towards the first 10 days of July, we have the Ten of Wands. I think you'll be a bit burdened or stressed out. Maybe there are heavy burdens that you have. That is why you want to let go of them. Sometimes you feel that your family members are not paying attention to your instincts or that your instincts are being ignored. Maybe they don't see eye to eye when it comes to your visions and plans about your own future. I think financial issues could also be there which could affect your relationship in this period. Maybe there's a cash crunch which you are dealing with, but someone is going to come to the rescue or somebody whom you rely on will help you out. Sometimes, in these days you could also feel that everything is cyclic or everything is falling apart for you. But Capricorns, you have to be prepared for bigger things in life. Maybe this is also going to strengthen you for the bigger battles that are there. It's no point feeling worthless. Rather, you have to carry on. The next 10 days, that is towards 11 to 20th July, we have the Five of Swords. Ideally, you will benefit if you will be careful in your choice of words because of the Swords energy. That is why you could say something which is unpalatable, and this could create a rift in your relationships. Possibly there could be misunderstanding. Mercifully, you will also get the chance to make amends or to undo the wrong that has been done. Personally, many of you could be concerned about the health of a parent or maybe family elders. On the professional front, Capricorns should be able to complete a lot of tasks, but then you should be careful because your ideas could seem controversial. Nevertheless, in this time, you can also expect praise and appreciation for your work. Somebody whom you esteem could also say that you're on the right track. Some of you could also be giving serious thought to a new venture, but then there could be delays, so you should be mindful of that as well. Ideally, you are being called upon to take your chances, or you could end up missing opportunities. Furthermore, you're also somebody who can use your clip talk and make gains. It could help you overcome the problems that you're encountering. Towards 21st to 31st July, we have the Six of Cups. I think this time you'll be gripped by nostalgia. Maybe there could also be an estrangement in a relationship. Incidentally, this is also the time when you could hear from estranged people. Maybe they want to reconnect with you. Throughout this month, Capricorns, you will be better served if you hold your tongue or that you are mindful of your words. Maybe you needn't be too abrupt or too blunt and harsh. I think in this time there could be gains through your contacts or through friends and acquaintances. Maybe you're also being called upon to shift to another place. Maybe there could be a change in your work environment for some of you. Sometimes, you could be a bit hassled because unscheduled work comes up. Besides, there's also pending work that you have to attend to. Even if there are these interruptions or even if there are delays, you can take heart from the fact that you are able to complete a lot of tasks. Moreover, your aides could also help you or they could assist you. I think Capricorns, because of the work pressure, you may also want to put in your papers. Maybe you think that the superior is saddling you with excess work. Besides, even the backbiting could unnerve you a bit. Ideally, you should have something in hand before you put in your papers or before you decide to quit. With respect to your love life, I have this card, farewell, but I am no good at goodbyes. I think even if you want to walk away from a connection, but this is not what you want, or in case there's somebody else you're dealing with who wants to walk away from your life, but in his heart he doesn't want to be far removed from you. Maybe there's a question or there's a tussle going on in this person's mind whether to stay or to walk out of the door and walk out of your life. Till Capricorns, you'll definitely be wooed by your admirers. Maybe you can also expect phone calls. Some of you could also be checking out prospective suitors on matrimonial sites or on dating sites. Maybe there could also be a marriage proposal coming your way, but then it may not be explicit. Perhaps there's ambiguity here. Unwanted attention is also going to be there for you. For some of you, I'm also picking up that there's a possibility of a work-related romance. I think you should go with the flow rather than put an end to a beautiful relationship which is in the offing. Maybe that is why this card has come up, farewell, but I'm no good at goodbyes. Like I said, you needn't put those obstacles in your own path with respect to matters of the heart. In case you're crushing on someone, I think you'll be quite restless and restive. Maybe you want to send a message across to this person, but you feel that it's always you who's taking the initiative. You do want him to reciprocate, but then these are early days. Incidentally, you may also feel a sense of calm for having done the same. Sometimes you feel that it is best to walk away rather than pursue this person because you don't want to deal with heartache. Romancing Capricorns, I think you'll be interested in your lover's social background. Maybe you're eager to understand him better. Incidentally, there could also be opposition to your love life this month. Maybe your family members may want to talk about it with your family elders. This could also leave you a bit worried. Nevertheless, when you're a lover and you do talk, I think you'll be all ears. Maybe you'll be discussing work. I think your lover is somebody who's going to compliment you for having a go-getter attitude. In case you're in an on-again, off-again relationship, I think you feel it's time to revive the romance. Married Capricorns, I think you need to be patient with your spouse. Maybe he could complain about the food. Some of you may also be making those plans to have reunions with your biological side of the family, but then your spouse may pour water on them. In case yours is an unhappy connection, I think some estrangement could be there. Maybe you should be tolerant of your life partner. Infidelity could also be an issue here. For some Capricorns, maybe even your relationship with your in-laws could go from bad to worse. These are things which you need to work upon, Capricorns, this month. Secondly, we do have this card, union. You seem to be in harmony. Maybe you're desiring a union with someone, or maybe there's a spiritual connection here which is in the offing this month. Perhaps Capricorns, you should also love yourself. You will feel complete from within if you accept who you are rather than seek the missing part of yourself in another person. For some of you, it could also imply that there's a creative idea or project that you have in mind. So maybe these ideas are going to come up in your head because it did come up in your reading, that you could be deciding upon a new venture. Archangel Raphael, we do have this card, ask your body for a message. Perhaps you or the person you're inquiring about is having a health issue, so you need to trust your own feelings and visions. Don't disregard the intuitive feelings or the thoughts that you're having about this person. Maybe you should also speak positive thoughts with respect to your health matter, as this could help you heal quickly. I hope Capricorns you liked your reading. This is Chaya with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.